Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening an elevated command prompt because System32 requires admin context for many actions. From the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Approve the UAC dialog when prompted. Once the window opens, verify where you are by typing CD and pressing Enter, and echo %CD% to confirm. This ensures you won't be guessing later. Make sure to save any work first. Administrative shells can affect system files, and you want a known starting point. Next, change to the System32 folder explicitly by typing cdc /Windows /System32 and pressing Enter. This sets your working directory to the system binaries location. If you're running a 32-bit process on 64-bit Windows and need real System32 access, reference C /Windows /sysnative instead. This avoids file system redirection. Once there, use dir to list files, and add switches like /a to show hidden items or /x to reveal short names. Doing this shows exactly what's available before you run or edit anything. Finally, run or reference executables using full paths while you're in System32, for example C /Windows /System32 /ipconfig. exe to avoid invoking similarly named files elsewhere. If you see access denied, make sure the prompt is elevated and temporarily check antivirus or security software that may block writes. If permissions are genuinely broken, you can use Tacone and iCackles to restore ownership and rights, but proceed cautiously. Altering System32 permissions can destabilize the system. If unsure, stop and consult a system administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.